Hi students, good morning everybody. Today our topic is limits. What are the limit? What is the concept of limit? What is the definition of the limit? What is the full concept of the limit? Okay, this is JEE Mains and Advanced model questions and concept, total concept of the limits chapter. Okay, listen carefully. This is Somaraj, Diamond Institute of Maths. Welcome to our channel. Okay, listen and practice and you get the good marks in JEE Mains and advanced examinations. Okay, limits. What is the limits? The meaning of at a plus just greater than. A plus means just greater than. A minus just smaller than. Okay, what are the A plus and A minus? What are the A plus and A minus? Here, suppose this is a one number line. Take the number line. This is one number A. This is the number A. Okay, this is here to here approaching to A. This is approaching to A. This is called a minus. Next, here onwards, this is the approaching to A. This is the A plus. This is the A plus. The approaching value. Suppose for example, here one number. I have take one number. This is the 2 only. Approaching 2 means this is 2.2 this is value is equal to 2.00001 only, 2.00001 only. Small greater value of the 2. Okay, this is the approaching here. Next, here almost approaching, this is the approaching value is equal to nearby 2 means 1.99999. This is the approaching value. This is the 2 minus. This is the 2 plus. You have to take 2 minus and 2 plus. This is the difference of the limits. This is the neighborhood. Okay, this is the neighborhood value. This is the neighborhood value of the 2. This is also neighborhood value of the 2. Okay, this is right as here limit and limiting value. What is the limit? What is the limit and limiting value? What is the limit and limiting value? Okay, here I can take one question. Limit extends to 2. X square plus 2. Here write extends to 2 only. Here write equal to 2 square plus 2 equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6. This is the our answer, limiting value. Okay, next what is the is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3. Then what is the value of f of x is neighborhood of x is equal to 3. Neighborhood of x is equal to 3. Okay, neighborhood of x is equal to 3 means what is the, this is equal to limit extends to 3 only. This is right as x square minus 9 by x minus 3. Right as x minus 3. Here in this case x tends to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Next here also x is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. Right here also 0 only. This is simplify this one equal to limit x tends to 3. Here right a square x square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. Use this formula. Here x square minus 3 square by x minus 3 equal to x square minus limit x tends to 3. X square minus 3 square means x plus 3 into x minus 3 by downside also x minus 3 is the cancel. Here right limit x tends to 3, right here 3 plus 3 equal to 6 is the our answer. Okay, 6 is the our answer. Okay, here LHL and RHL and existence of the limit. When is the existence of the limit? Limit extends to a f of x equal to limit extends to a plus f of a minus h equal to limit extends to a minus f of a plus x. This is the some value of decreasing of limit extends to a, some value of decreasing, and this is the some value of increasing some value of a plus h. Okay, this is the a plus h. H is the small value delta x, that is the x is equal to small value of a plus h. Okay, small interchange here, right? A plus h and a minus h. This is the positive, this is a plus only, this is the a minus, this is the a minus h. Okay, minus means a minus h. Okay, a is the, this is a is the one number, this is the a is the one number, this is the small value of decreasing here. A small value of decreasing means a minus h. Here a is the some approaching value, this is the a plus h, this is the small value of a plus h. Okay, a plus h is the limit extends to a plus, and a minus is the limit extends to a minus h. Okay, this is the what is the limit is existing means limit limit extends to a, limit extends to a f of x equal to limit extends to a minus f of x equal to limit extends to a plus f of x equal to l, equal to l. L is the finite limit, l is the finite, l is the finite limit. Okay, understand, that is the finite limit of the limit is the existing. Okay, limit is the existing. Okay, next okay, one sided limit. At end point of intervals of domain, only one sided limit is defined. Okay, LHL or RHL, LHL or RHL are left handed and right handed limit. Here, right, f of x is defined as x belongs to closed interval a comma b, then first one is equal to at x is equal to a, RHL limit extends to a plus f of x is equal to finite, that is the defined of RHL. Next another one equal to at x is equal to b, LHL, LHL means here minus f of limit extends to b minus f of x is equal to also finite. This is the define. Okay, next basic examples of this one equal to limit extends to 0 root x equal to limit extends to 0 plus root x is equal to 0, limit extends to 0 plus root x, 0 plus root x is equal to 0. Next second one equal to limit extends to 0 x by step of x, x by step of x, limit extends to 0, here write 0 minus, 0 minus means here also 0 minus by limit 0 minus is equal to minus 1, 0 minus is equal to minus 1, this is the step of x minus 1 equal to 0. Next another case, limit extends to 0 plus, 0 plus means this is also 0 plus. Next step of 0 plus means this is 0 only, this is 0, this is the 0 by 0 plus by 0 is not defined, 0 plus by 0 is not defined. Okay, understand this one. Next, okay, here indeterminate forms, indeterminate forms means this is not exact value. Okay, this is estimate value only, estimate value only. Indeterminate forms are 7 such that follows 7 values: 0 by 0 form, and infinity by infinity form, and 0 into infinity form, and 1 power infinity, and infinity minus infinity, and 0 power 0, and infinity power 0. These are 7 types of indeterminate forms. These are the most important indeterminate forms is equal to 0 by 0 form, and infinity by infinity form, and 1 power infinity. All indeterminate forms convert into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity and 1 power infinity. Most thing this is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity also, this is infinity by infinity also convert into 0 by 0 form. Next 1 power infinity also different. Okay, you have learn only 2 formulas, 0 by 0 form and 1 power infinity form. All are convert into 0 by 0 form. Infinity infinity also infinity by infinity. What is the infinity by infinity? 1 by 0 by 1 by 0. Okay, both are multiplied and reciprocal, right? This is also 0 by 0 form. This is also 0 by 0 form. Okay, this is also 0 by 0 form. This is 1 power infinity is the change. Okay, this is a different formula also is there. Yeah, these are both are same only. Okay, very important of these two, and this is one. Okay, total 3 only, very important of the limits chapter. Okay, total chapter. Okay, convey to these 3 formulas only. Okay, listen all of you. Here first one is equal to, for 0 by 0 use the factorization. Any limits also given, this is the 0 by 0 form factorization method, and the second one equal to the highest power of the common, infinity by infinity. Infinity by infinity means what is the highest power, that is only common, remaining 1 by x is equal to 0. 1 by x means equal to 0, right? Okay, that is only problems like that only. Here 1 by x or highest power is the common variable, is the common from the numerator and denominator. What is the highest power? Highest power only common here. Suppose for example x square plus x plus 1 also is there. Here also x square plus x plus 2 also is there here. Okay, this is limit x tends to limit infinity, means here like that x square is the common. X square is the common means here coefficient is equal to 1. Next here also coefficient is equal to 1. This is 1 by x, this is also something x square is the common 1 by x, and this is also 1 by x square, both are equal to 0. Here also both are equal to 0, means the coefficient of x square coefficient only 1 by 1, means that is answer is equal to 1 by 1. This is the shortcut. Next another one equal to here, right, 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4, right. Next 4x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, this is the limit x tends to infinity, means here common, this is the common, x square coefficient is the common, means this is 2 by 4 only answer. 2 by 4 is the answer, means this is the 1 by 2 is the answer. Remaining all are zeros. That is the one method. Okay, next here infinity by infinity form in the convert into, this is 0 by 0 form. Convert into 0 by 0 form. After that use the formula L'Hospital rule. Okay, next our concept is L'Hospital rule only. Listen carefully. This is third point is for in the 0 into infinity form, put x is equal to 1 by t. 0 into infinity form, one is 0, another equal to infinity form is equal to x is equal to, put x is equal to 1 by t, and the slight change of the limit. Okay, we'll convert the form of 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Okay, convert into 0 by 0 by form and infinity by infinity form only. Okay, infinity minus infinity form, this is also substitution or slight change. This is converted to 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form After that we have using the L'Hospital rule. What is the L'Hospital rule? Okay, listen, L'Hospital rule. Next rule or L'Hospital rule for 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity form. Okay, convert into 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity form. Limit extends to a f of x by g of x. Here, right, limit extends to a f dash of x by g dash of x. Okay, in this case also 0 by 0 form. Next I am going to next one equal to limit extends to a f double dash of x by g double dash of x. This is double dash of x. In this case also 0 by 0 form only. You get 0 by 0 form only. Next another one equal to here, right, limit extends to a another one equal to limit f triple dash of x by g triple dash of x. Okay, substitute the x value, you get the answer. This is the L'Hospital rule. Okay, L'Hospital rule. Okay, one example, I can give the one example here, right, x square minus 2 by limit extends to 2 by here downside also limit x power 4 minus 2 power 4 is equal to 16. Here 16, right. Okay, this is the 0 by 0 form only. This is a 0. Substitute the limit extends to 2 square is equal to 4 and 4 means here 4, 2 square is equal to 4 and 2 power 4 is equal to 16 minus 16. This is also L'Hospital rule. Apply the L'Hospital rule. Here differentiation x square differentiation is equal to 2x by next x power 4 differentiation is equal to 4x cube. Here write to 2 1, so 2 4 2 2's cancel, x 1 x is the cancel, equal to 1 by 2 into x square, 1 by 2 x square. Okay, substitute here x tends to equal to 2 only, right. Okay, 1 by 2 into square is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8. This is the 1 by 8 is our answer. Okay, this is the 0 by 0 form. Apply the L'Hospital rule. Okay, apply the L'Hospital rule. This is one example. Okay, this is also direct method also you can do. This is problem equal direct method also you can do, no problem. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, right here. Okay, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus. This is also a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, right. And after that substitute the x tends to 2 only, that is also you get the answer. Okay, no problem. The L'Hospital rule means, so this is the 0 by 0 form. Okay, this is the derivative of f of x by f dash of x by g dash of x. Separate derivative, numerator derivative and denominator derivative. Okay, if square roots are present in this case of rationalization, any square roots also is there in the limit. Here right, rationalization, compulsory rationalization. Okay, if step x and fractional part of x and mod x and signum of x functions having different definitions are present, then LHL and RHL. This is also, suppose for example step x also given here, right? Limit extends to 1, limit extends to 1. This is the step of x, limit extends to 1, step of x. Okay, limit extends to step of x means here, right, this is 1, limit extends to 1 minus step of x equal 1 minus step of x means what is the value of 1 minus step of x? 0. Next, limit extends to 1 plus step of x, 1 plus step of x is equal to 1. These are LHL not equal to RHL. Here in this case LHL not equal to RHL. Okay, okay, this is the question number 1. JEE Mains 2019 problem. Limit extends to pi by 4 cot cube x minus tan x by cos of x plus pi by 4. Here cot pi by, question number 1 JEE problem. Here, right, limit extends to pi by 4. Limit extends to pi by 4. Cot cube is equal to cos cube x by sin cube x. Simplification first. Next, tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. By cos of a plus b formula. Cos a, cos b, cos x, cos b, cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. And minus sin a, sin b, sin x into, this is also 1 by root 2. Okay, simplify this one, equal to limit extends to pi by 4. Cos cube and cos power 4x LCM. This is the sin power 4x by downside is equal to sin cube x into cos x into, here 1 by root 2 is the common. 1 by root 2 is the common means cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x, right. Limit extends to pi by 4. Extends to pi by 4. Limit cos power 4 sin power 4 is equal to cos square x plus sin square x into a plus b into a minus b formula. Here cos square x minus sin square x by sin cube x into cos x. And 1 by root 2 into cos x minus sin x. Here, right, this is the a square minus b square formula. This is equal to 1 only. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Limit extends to pi by 4. Here cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x. By sin cube x into cos x into 1 by root 2 into cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x is the cancel. Okay, remaining value, limit extends to pi by 4. Cos x plus sin x by sin cube x 1 by root 2 into sin cube x plus into cos x. Okay, here, right, limit extends to pi by 4, right, here substitute here, limit extends to pi by 4. Equal to, this is 1 by root 2, this is also 1 by root 2, this is also 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 into sin cube x. Sin pi by 4x means 1 by root 2 whole cube. Into cos x is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, here 1 by root 2 equal to, upside is equal to 2 by root 2 by, this is 1 by root 2 into root 2 whole cube. Means root 2 whole square is equal to 2, 1 by 2 into root 2. This is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Okay, root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 only. 2 into 2 4 only. This is also 1 by root 2. Root 2 is the cancel. This is 2. This is 2 by 1 by 2 by 1 by here 2 into 2 4 only. 4 equal to 1 by 4 equal to total value is equal to 2 by 1 into 4 by 1 equal to 8 only our answer. 8 only our answer, only 8 only. Limit extends to 0 minus root of 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by x. 1 by x. This is the infinity minus infinity form model. Infinity minus infinity form model. This substitute here 1 by x tends to minus infinity. Here 1 by x is equal to t only, right? Here 1 by x equal to t means limit extends to infinity minus infinity. Limit extends to minus infinity. Here, right? Here limit plus is equal to 1 by x is equal to t. 1 by x is equal to t means here t square. 1 by x is equal to t means here t square plus t plus 1 t plus 1 plus t. Okay, this is the part of the limit. This is the rationalization of here for root of t square plus t plus 1 t plus 1 t square plus t plus 1 minus t by root of t square plus t plus 1 here also minus t. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and the limit extends to minus infinity a square minus b square means here t square plus t plus 1 minus t square, a square minus b square. T square is the cancel. Here t only here. Next downside is equal to square root of t square plus t plus 1 minus t plus 1 minus t. In this case here, right, t only common, mod t only common. This is the negative infinity. Here negative infinity. Here, right, equal limit extends to minus infinity. Here t is the common. Means 1 plus 1 by t. T is the common, 1 by 1 plus t, and here also t is the common means modulus of t is the common. This is the modulus of t is the common means square root of t is the common. Downside is equal to t is the common. T square is the common. T square is the common means 1 plus 1 by t plus 1 by t square. Here also t only outside is the common means this is 1 only. Okay, this is the modulus of t. This is 1 only. This is also 1 by t and 1 by t square 1 by t. This is the 1 by t square. This is all are equal to 0. This is 0. This is also 0. This is also 1 only. Here minus t is the common means this is minus t only, right? T minus t. Okay, t get cancel. Minus infinity up to minus infinity means limit extends to minus infinity. Here this is the minus t. T into 1 plus 1 by t by this is the minus t into this is the total part equal. This is the 1, substitute 1. This is 0 and this is the root 1. This is the 1 only. Okay, 1 minus 1. Root 1 minus 1, this is cancelled. This is equal to 0, this is also equal to 0, this is also equal to 0, this is a t also get cancelled means here this is a 1 by minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is our answer. Minus 1 of the common here, mod t only common. Mod t means here negative infinity means minus t. This is the positive infinity, only positive t only. Okay, positive t only. Okay, understand this one. This is a very important concept. Okay, in root of anything, what is the common here? Infinity value. Here infinity extends to infinity or extends to minus infinity. You have common modulus of t. You have a minus infinity here minus t, and you have a plus infinity. This is the plus t. Okay, this is only you have understand. Okay, understand this one. Okay, next is Somras. You know my channel. Okay, check my channel, each and everything. You have a practice and listen carefully. This is very important sessions. I can upload the each and everything of the chapter. Okay, full chapter and JEE mains and advanced examinations. Okay, concentrate it. Okay, share and like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for your watching.